do, not do. No do. Mo sha so fun. If you not getting me, forget about it. I know by Lambo. Is that why I shout? Them day, yeah, them day. Now they see them.
You know she's dating Manny. That apparently Manny, that's Burna's guy. That apparently that Manny is telling her that Burna is looking for me and all of that in Lagos. And he's been asking about me, telling them they should please invite me out. He wants to meet me. That's how, obviously, I didn't even answer that period.
Yeah.
Then one time, I think the next week, right, she had called me. She was always texting me about it. I'm like, when I do my hair, I don't mind meeting him. Friends when I do my hair. That's how the next thing, the owner of one strip club, Bayrock, started calling me like, hey, please, are you alone? I need to speak to you. I said, what? He's like, oh, somebody wants to meet you, please. I'm like, who? He's like, Burna, he has been disturbing him.
Oh, wow.
Blah, blah, blah. I said, all right, no wahala. I've heard you that whenever I come out, next time I come out, I'll just like
say hi.
One stone to kill two birds. You can invite him when I'm I'll tell you. Yeah. That's how I went out the first night. That I went to because the owner of the strip club was telling me I should please not meet Burna through Ama because he wants, obviously I knew that he wanted to make money. So he wants to situation when Burna will come and then Burna will spend money. And I said, okay, no problem, that's fine. So that day Ama was messaging me. I said, you know what? I'm going to go to Bayrock. You can meet me at Bayrock. You can bring Burna there. I'll also, like everybody that has been calling me, they should all just come there and meet me. As I went to Bayrock, after the party, Burna started telling me that let's go home. I said, I'm not going home. Yeah. That's how he was telling them the security to stay with me. Let's drive behind their convoy. As soon as I entered my car, I drove home. He started calling me, where are you? I said, oh, I'm going home. He's like, okay, I should send my address. His driver is going to come and pick me up. I said, no problem, I'll send the address. He kept on calling me. I didn't pick up his call. I just went to bed.
Yeah.
I woke up that morning. I messaged the owner of Bayrock was calling me like, that Burna has been texting him that, I'm rude. I didn't even say anything about me going to bed. I just stopped picking up his calls. Blah, blah, blah. Apparently, the owner of Bayrock gave him my number.
Yeah.
That's how I said, I'll text him. Because I didn't want to say again after I did what I did. Like, I don't know what to say and I don't want to talk again.
Yeah.
That's how I sent a message. When I sent a message, I saw that he had blocked me. I moved on from it.
Yeah.
The second day, the Scott guy started calling me again. I said I should come out. There should be an explanation. I went out. That second day, the second time again, I still did not go home with him. I went home. I think that's why he never unblocked me. We went out. I went home. Nobody reached out to anybody. Scott was trying to go, like, let's go home with him. Let all of us go. I said, I'm not going anywhere. That's how I went home. That's how, like, Burna traveled. Me and him, we did not speak. In fact, obviously, I told you he blocked me the first day. So I didn't even bother reaching out to him. That's how, when he now came back to Lagos, I was at Secret Palace with one guy. Yeah. So he was rushing to work. That Ebuka guy that you met, that fat guy. So he was rushing to work, right? Amma is like, oh, please, let's stay. The money is upstairs. Let's just go and continue our party that she does not want to go. I said, no, Ada. So went upstairs. Burna was there. Burna started calling me and she please come and sit beside him. He was not talking. This was after like 3 months. So that Manny told him I'm trying to buy a Lambo truck. I should have just said that to him. That he would have gotten it for me. How much is a Lambo truck? Just that I shouldn't tell anybody about it. That he wants to be my guy. That trust me, you're going to end up loving me. I should just give him a chance. Just talking long.
Yeah.
When I got home that day, I left them again. Went home.
Yeah.
Amma started calling me that Burna came to Manny's house. He's saying she should call me. I swiped. I saw the message. I didn't pick up her calls or anything. It was Burna. I told her the next day, like, also what he was saying. She's like, babe, you should take him seriously. You know, it's him that bought Steph London, Kulinan. He actually spent girls, blah, 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 blah. I was like, we'll see. Me, I don't used to really take artists, they don't really do anything for me in my life. I even told Burna that day, I'm like, the second day Burna called me, let's go out. We went to Boho, the private room. I told him we have to start the private room. He's like, okay, sure. I met him there. He was talking. I said, to be honest, I don't really like to follow artists because they don't really do anything for me. Like, they don't really do anything. He's like, trust me, I'm a gang, an artist. Trust me. Second day, I went home. Third day, he had called me to come somewhere. I didn't answer him. Then one time I guess he called me again. Amma was like, "Oh, Burna says that you are playing games with him. Today you come around, you go home. Instead of us all going home, they are playing games with him. I should take him seriously. I should just try and like just take him seriously. Like trust me, like just see how it goes with him."
Yeah.
So I know what happened and all. So the next time we hung out, I went home with him. Did Amma trick you anything? She said no. Huh? Amma did not send me anything. So I'm like, why are you sending a video of my apartment to? Why are you gossiping about me with? Because that video didn't reach me. This is like my home. Come in. Why is it? You know, like long story short, like this is how we got here. So to me, she was talking to her yesterday and saying, because I finally remember she saw my boyfriend downstairs. She was telling my boyfriend, oh, she feels I'm angry with her for going for that party. I'm like, what if my boyfriend doesn't know about Burna? Like,
she's wait. She went to tell your boyfriend about.
Yes, downstairs. She thinks it's about the party. That she went for the party.
God!
My boyfriend was like, I don't want to know anything that's going on. You people should resolve your issue. If you want to talk to Sophia, she's in the apartment. Your apartment.
Can
is
you
on the same floor.
imagine?
Go and meet her and talk whatever you want to talk. And he left. That's what he said to her. Like, don't involve me. Oh, blah blah blah. He said like, just.
Anyway, can you remember one day in your room I asked you one question? Have you asked yourself why bow hair and Hilda left Amma? Can you remember that question?
Bro, like
you not told me.
Did Amma trick you anything? She said no. Huh? Amma did not send me anything. So I'm like, why are you sending a video of my apartment to? Why are you gossiping about me with? Because that video didn't reach me. This is like
to debate from the point. But if you know that you are somebody, you like doing people's strong thing, you are just there for the benefits, you are just there for the gains. It's not nice. Change. Imagine if they were to hear that situation now. Imagine if her boyfriend was to just leave her. How is she gonna feel? Really got me was what happened to Sophia, and realizing that this Amahreginald girl has a pattern, which is this. The same thing she did to Sophia from number 1 to the last was similar to my case. The only difference is that Olomachi, being me, is married, and Sophia is still a young girl who is not engaged or married, so she's free to do whatever she wants to do. So
guys, this Burna Boy, Sophie and Amahreginald matter is a very long ride in the industry. Like, I've been like, what is all this? Can't someone breathe without one wahala? But at the end of the day, why are we here? Not to just about her now. So guys, this has, if you go through all the audios I've made so far, Burna Boy responded to the whole Sophia's leaked video, and then the whole video that Sophia had with, I don't know whether it's a best friend or a cousin, about her and Amahreginald. Remember, this Amahreginald has been complained by Bohe, so he has also had issue with Hilda Bassi. So who is now the problem? In that conversation Sophia had, who released the audio? Like, women, we get a lot of wahala. If I no go lie you, we get too much wahala for body. Like, people have a lot to say about this friendship and all of that. And you can also hear the live section of Bohe when she was talking about this same Amahreginald. Like, why are we our problem? Because now these are 3 different people now making comment about one particular person. I'm not going to judge anybody because I wasn't there. I've not had her own side of the story. But when people constantly say the same thing about you, you need to just look at yourself and say, what exactly am I not doing right? Do you understand? So this has been a case of this friendship cycle and all of that. Do you understand? But I don't see why these people are making women look like we are worthless without men, one, and that we can't do anything without, going after their money. So at the end of the day, men will be looking at us like, not be the money we find. Yeah, we are hustling to work hard for our money, but the way some ladies are making it look like nobody is working hard apart from men is alarming. Do you understand? So now I heard that Coley Belly has also unfollowed Burna Boy, given the incident that is happening now with this Sophia thing. I don't know how true that is, but bloggers, they always try to use this microscopic eye to find out by seeing that she has unfollowed Burna Boy. So it's going to be a long ride in this friendship cycle. So, but guys, what do you actually think when someone is being accused repeatedly of a particular pattern of life? How do you see that? I don't think there is more to this thing than to just, give your distance. If you feel like a friend is not doing well for you the way he or she is in your circle, the best thing is just to, let them go and then mind your business. What do you think, guys?